What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the error Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely when trying to install the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. This error typically occurs because there's an existing Epic Games folder on your system that conflicts with the installation process. To fix this, we'll need to locate and delete this folder. First, open this PC on your computer. You can search for this PC in your Start menu and press Enter. Once you're in, navigate to your C drive, which is usually where the program files are stored. Next, go to the Program Files folder. Inside this folder, search for the Epic Games folder. You can make this easier by clicking inside the folder and typing E on your keyboard to jump to folders starting with that letter. If you find an Epic Games folder, right-click on it and select Delete to remove it. Now, repeat this process for the Program Files folder. Keep in mind that not all users have an Epic Games folder in both locations. It's entirely possible that the folder is present only on one of these locations. If that's the case, you only need to delete it from the location where it exists. There is no need to perform this step twice if the folder is missing in one location. After deleting the Epic Games folder, restart your PC. Once that's done, try running the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard again. This time, it should proceed without any issues. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.